Do you like listening to music? Well, I found a way that you can make money just by listening to music online. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can start making money through this platform today. Curious about just how much money you can earn? You can make $4 per song, which means if you listen to 25 songs, you can make $100 no sweat. All you need is an Android or Apple device to get going. This platform is 100% free and really easy to set up. If you keep watching until the end, I'll guide you through the sign-up process. Plus, if you follow along with me, I'll give you some extra tips on how you can make the most of this platform and earn more than everyone else.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
To get started, you're going to want to open either a browser and go to YouTube or the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're there, go ahead and search for Top Music 2021. There should be a lot of playlists that pop up on your search results. As you can see, there's a never-ending number of playlists and songs on YouTube. The method that I'm going to show you today is a great source of passive income, so stay tuned to learn more. I'm basically going to listen to these playlists right now, playlists 1 to 3. Basically, there are 3 steps to this process. First, open with a playlist. Next, head on over to this website right here, ouo.io. This site will help you earn money while listening to YouTube videos. So this website pretty much helps us shorten our URLs so that when someone clicks on the link, you can get paid. Up here, you can see the long URL of the YouTube playlist that I have open, and when someone clicks the link, they'll be brought to that page. So all you have to do is copy the link and paste it in ouo.io. When you scroll down, you'll see a shortened URL section. This is where you'll paste your URL. Once I've copy pasted the long URL right here and then press this button, it'll shorten the URL for me. Now all I need to do is copy the new link. So you're probably curious as to how much you can earn with ouo.io. But before I go on, I do want to warn you that this method doesn't give you a consistent amount. Some days you may earn more money than others. That being said, keep watching to find out tips on how you can make the most out of this method. So how ouo.io works is they pay you for each visitor that clicks on your link. The most you can make is $15 per 1,000 clicks. The actual amount depends on what country the people who visited your link are from. If the people that visit your link come from the UK, for example, you'll earn $4.30. For Australian visitors, you'll get $5. For American visitors, you get $4, etc. However, no matter where your visitors come from, the least you can earn is $1.50. As you can see, this is a great way to earn some cash just by listening to music. In order to earn though, you need to use both YouTube and ouo.io together. So now I'm going to show you how to open an account with them. To get started, all you need to do is click on the sign up button. The sign up process is super easy and quick. Pretty much all you need to do is create a username, password, and then enter in your email address and then submit your sign up sheet. Once you're all signed up, you should be able to access your dashboard, which looks like this. From your dashboard, you should be able to generate links. Just copy and paste the long URLs from YouTube and then paste them in here. Once you're done, click the red button and you should get your short links. Anytime that people visit your links, you can earn some real cash. You can do the same thing with the other URLs. Once you've shortened all of your long URLs, you should be able to see the new URLs in your dashboard right here. Here are the 3 shortened URLs that I generated. Now on to the final step. For this step, we're going to use a site called Linktree. Linktree is a site that people go to build pages similar to this one. You're going to want to use this site because it can help make 5 times more than what you would be making. Basically, Linktree will make your life easier by combining 6 links into one page. People that click on your links will be brought to the YouTube playlist you chose earlier. The more traffic you get, the more money you earn. To sign up for the site, just click right here and fill out the form with your personal information. Once your account is up, click here under the link section to add your shortened links from ouo.io. I'll just quickly show you how to do this. So first, just copy and paste this here. Then you can copy and paste the YouTube title right here. You just keep repeating this process until the limb is full. That's all for that. It's really simple to do. Right here, there's a summary section. When you're done, you're going to want to copy this because this is the URL that you're going to share. Now I'm going to fill you in on a bit of a bonus tip.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now for the much awaited tip that will help you earn even more. Go to reddit.com and make yourself an account if you don't have one yet. You can either use your email address, Google account, or Apple account. The quickest way to do this would be to use your Google account. No worries about any spam because Reddit doesn't send any. When your account is up and running, you'll want to type music in the search bar, then click on this page called r/music. This should bring you to a music forum. This community has millions of users. If you scroll through the posts, you'll see lots of playlists and music videos. This is a great place for you to share your links. When you've done that, people will click on your links and you'll be on the road to making money without breaking a sweat. Now I'm also going to help you out. Before you go, leave your Linktree link in the comments below. Help out your fellow viewers and click on the links in the comment section so that we can all make some money. Just share your link and watch the money roll in.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.